Pingtan Island is located off the southeast coast of China. The erosion of the land by the action of the sea has formed various kinds of rock formations. Pingtan Island is known as the Museum of Marine Erosion Landforms because of the rich variety of formations here. This fairy tale scene of the East China Sea is typical of marine erosion landforms in the area. This naturally formed shaft has a diameter of nearly 50 meters and a depth of 40 meters. Alongside the shaft there is a huge canyon which looks like a mountain split in two. Pingtan Island is a world of stones. On the island there are many strange rock formations, among which the most famous are the Banyang Stone Sail and the god of Haitan. They are also known as the double wonders of Pingtan Island. The Banyang Stone Sail is the world's largest granite spherical weathered marine erosion column. The reef looks like a big ship with the two massive boulders as its double sails. There are many marine erosion landforms on the island, such as the Nanjai Stone Forest Group with its variety of different shapes, unpredictable marine erosion caves, and scattered marine erosion platforms and terraces. They are unique landscapes shaped by the magical power of nature.